Cultural and natural heritage objects, monuments, archaeological and paleontological sites are subjected to the effects of aging, usage, and deterioration. They have been in diverse and uncharted conditions for many years, decades, and even millennia worldwide. This heritage needs care. Now, how can we ensure its protection and preservation? Heritage science can answer questions about their genesis, manufacturing processes, alterations, conservation, and preservation. In our community scientific archives, fixed and mobile laboratories can offer different solutions to investigate heritage in depth. In the 18th century, scientists started applying science to art for research and conservation purposes. Today, archives of prestigious museums, galleries, and research institutions across Europe, as part of ARCHLAB, host an incredible, organized, and largely unpublished amount of information from analysis on cultural and natural heritage. This information offers new opportunities to heritage scientists and opens new pathways. Instruments, techniques, and methodologies can resolve ancient mysteries and satisfy many questions about heritage. Our precise, powerful, fixed laboratories, FIXLAB, are equipped with particle accelerators, synchrotrons, and tools to perform ion beam, compositional, molecular, and biological analysis, structural studies, dating and aging tests, physical and thermal characterization, optical and mass spectroscopies, and imaging, so they can analyze heritage materials and discover the deep side of the art. A significant part of heritage cannot be moved from its location for different reasons: fragility, immovability, relevant insurance risks, and transportation costs. Now, how can we protect this heritage? The answer is by moving portable devices and expertise to the field with the Mobile Laboratory MOLAB. It is capable of performing in situ non-destructive 2D and 3D analyses, point analyses, multi-hyperspectral imaging and mapping, remote sensing on artworks, collections, monuments, and sites in real time. Browse the IPERION HS catalog of services, contact the user help desk for technical and scientific support, and submit your proposal.